right, so we are here at 170 Green Park Way, Noonan, Georgia, for Miss Danny Thomas. Gonna be doing a quick little repair test. We have one shingle here. It's a little hard to see, but there is some faint wind damage. Of course, in the sun, you can kind of see it better there. So there is that little wind crease, and as you can see, some rusted nails here below it. So that shingle's been unsealed for a while. Got that crease across the top. So what I'm gonna do today is go ahead and take out this shingle as a repair test to kind of show the quality of this roof. And again, I'm not sure if we're familiar, but this is the Atlas Chalet, and roughly a little over 20 years old, or right exactly at 20 years. And we're seeing that very heavy granule loss, a lot of unsealed shingles. It may be possible old wear and tear in some areas, but we're also seeing that wind damage across several slopes. As he put here, I think he put 3. Oh no, he put 0 for the right side. So I guess he did not see this one here. But again, I know it's minor. I could search this roof top to bottom. The adjuster said he found several areas, so I didn't think there was gonna be a problem. So again, gotta go ahead and take this out and see what we can do to get this whole section replaced and repaired here. Okay, so luckily it looks like this is the edge shingle. So this is the shingle that we're taking out right here. Alright, so they do have the shingle toe nailed into that shingle above, so we'll need to go ahead and pop that nail loose there. Alright, we got that one loose. Still want to make sure we have a clean install for the next shingle coming in, so getting all the nails out properly and making sure there's none left open for exposure here. Alright, so we successfully got our shingle out. Now that it's out, we're able to see this wind damage a little bit better. So again, you can kind of tell right there, see where that shingle is ripped at the edge, and then that wind damage across the middle. Again, on this slope, it's kind of hard to see where it was sitting with the shadow lines on the shingles above it. All things considered, I understand if it was missed. So let's go ahead and make sure we have a clean section for our next shingles, which will be right here. As you can tell from the angle, of course, never holding that anywhere past a 45. Not even close. All right, so we got our setup section cleaned. Minus this one last little nail. All right, now we got our section cleaned up. We can go ahead and pop in our replacement shingle.